This is. Brian, what did you use to stick your stuff? Ours keep falling down. What did you use to hang?
The guys did it.
Oh, they did it. Sharon, we got to get him to do it maybe.
It's magnets.
Because he said they did that.
It's magnets.
This is beautiful.
This is how I thought our room was going to be, but why?
Yeah, there's a magnet in there.
Because my stuff keep falling down.
We got it. Sweet got a jacuzzi.
Was it really yesterday?
Sweet's having a
This is just a balcony room. That's what I'm saying. I thought ours was like this, but wide.
Mom, down over here, if you look down, there's like a life-size, like either chess or checkerboard.
yeah, it's on 5, isn't it?
Thank you.
I don't know, I just...
This is nice.
I like the colors.
Real pretty.
Because ours is orange.
Orange?
Our suite is orange, more orange and tan, I think. It's pretty much the same. Our couch,
About the same color as it was on the
but our
Magic.
couch is on that side, but it's
Now,
a
on the
lot more
Magic,
room.
It was a lot bigger. This room
For
was
this
a lot
room?
bigger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Can we look in the bathroom?
I think someone might be in there.
We were on the Magic with y'all.
Now, is this your anniversary?
No.
Okay. Oh, I love that. Nice. We gotta take kids.
No, our anniversary
No
is in
kids?
May.
Okay. Well, you know what, I saw this. I wasn't sure. That's really
This is the Cloud9 balcony, right?
Yes.
Cloud9 balcony.
Still cleaning, so.
This is the room we had last time.
Oh, yeah, we did.
And the bed came out of the ceiling. But this one don't do it though.
Candy? Oh, bring it out.
Same balcony as the other one?
Yeah. I did the same thing with the candy.
Thanks.
Is that a different version of GoPro that has
This is the silver. There's only the silver has it. The other ones you have to buy it. It has a touchscreen on the back.
Whose birthday? That's right, it was on Sonia's birthday. So I always am not
Oh,
sure
so
what
there's
I'm
also
doing it right.
balcony.
It was your birthday.
Yes.
You have to go by this.
Also balcony.
Yeah, we
When
have
you do it, you
a
have to
three.
hit the
Ours
button
is
and it's on
older,
just that part.
but- Yeah.
balcony cap,
Balcony.
This one's not on the list.
I'm thinking
Yeah, this room wasn't on the list.
Yeah, this one wasn't on the list.
Okay, what do you suppose is it a barnacle?
Is this normally a couch?
Yes.
Okay.
I was thinking it was so
Balcony cabin. No, this one, but look how wide it is for her chair.
It's also a wider door.
Look at the door. Look how wide the door is for her chair.
It's a shower.
Wow.
So she could turn her chair around in there. That's nice.
Oh, that's
Thank
really
you.
nice.
Oh, yeah.
All right, come on, Matthew.
Oh, we have to go back.
Handicap accessible room.
Go back this way.
Yeah.
Your very first cruise.
This is the regular balcony room.
This is my 5th one.
You can make that baby a platinum for
That's what I
He
said,
just
before he
made gold.
turned
He gonna
21,
be platinum for free. Before he have to start paying.
Finally a goal.
He just got gold this trip right here. So. And the other one had a room, had a bed to come down because we had our 20-year-old son on the last couple. He didn't go on this one.
That's right. We can take his babies like they couch here.
Yeah, just not even doing that.
All right, now we're going to.
Wait till you see our couch. You going with us?
Yeah,
Ours is next.
I didn't want to climb up
The
the
suite,
stairs
the
again.
couch pull out into a full-size bed.
Oh, ours did not do that.
We had this one and just take those off and then just have that, right? Yeah, that's how ours was.
I think there's some more people.
It's hot in our room.
Ours is so hot.
Very cool in our room.
I like this.
Oh my God.
Oh, I know. Give an insight.
And they don't even have it up high.
Maybe you're first on the air ducts.
And we have it up.
Yeah, it's not even, it's in the middle.
Because ours is the coldest, and it's like, it's okay.
No, ours is close to the middle. And it's this cold.
I like this because the last interior we didn't have any drawers. It was
Yeah.
just a little
Randy got
table.
in here. Y'all got my room. That's what it is. Right. I got the room that we were supposed to.
It's nice.
Yeah. It's plenty of room in here.
Got a nice safe for the refrigerator.
Wow.
There you go. That
Wow.
works.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
The lights, too. You like
The
that?
chair.
So
We were going to get this room, and I
Yeah,
like.
you can just jump in from the
You don't
balcony.
need
At
it.
least the thing that's
Let's go one under.
at least the thing that's true
We
is
should
the
have
part
got
about
this.
the
We should have
jacuzzi
stuck
though.
This
with
is
it.
nice.
My daughter loves it.
Do the TV
And it
turn
flips,
around?
yes. Handle, see the handles? And
That's
flip
why
it
we
around.
didn't do it, because we didn't think the TV turned around too. Part of it was like,
Grab the handle right there and pull it around.
we was like,
Now, it's not the easiest thing to turn around.
Well, and if the ship is rocking, you don't want it
Yeah.
moving on its own either. So.
It's beautiful.
Nice.
Beautiful.
And their balcony's bigger than ours too,
I
Shannon.
heard that.
The balcony is bigger too.
Savannah's mama.
That's right.
A little bigger.
Too.
A little bit bigger.
Ask them.
And then our view down below
And
the deck is one of the jacuzzis. Oh, come on in.
Yeah, we have one. We're in the middle, so we got one on each side.
Oh, so we see yours.
We're right
No,
now.
Shannon, we're across the
Yeah,
hall.
we're on the opposite side.
We're on that side.
Yeah, I
just-
know what I'm saying. When you said y'all, so when we look down, we see your room. You know, I said it was see it one year.
Yeah, but this is the opposite side of the ship. Remember, we just walked over. We're on the outside.
Okay,
They're
well
on the-
then, so.
It's the same way. They're just closer to the jacuzzi than we are.
Okay.
Let me see that balcony. Let me see that
But she can see around.
She can around the ship.
Yeah, I can see around. I can see through walls.
It's good to be a wife, isn't it?
I know, right?
Where you going?
Hey, Savannah's mom.
Yes.
What is this called?
Grand suite.
Oh, that's what we're gonna have on the And what's your room called?
Not a grand suite.
This would have been my room.
Look at that. And they have a bidet.
He described this room. Yeah, they'll wait.
Nobody can go in there without
Don't wait.
Why didn't you pick this room? Because this is the room you described.
Because this gives you something to hope for next time.
Yeah, there you go.
When you get
When we don't bring him.
That's right. This gives you something to picture.
This
When
is
your mom
big.
and dad go without you.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that balcony. Wow.
This the one with the. They had the frame around it.
So this is our first time we've done the coat.
Yeah, close shot of the water.
Yeah, that's
These are the lifeboats.
We right at the water.
Yeah.
There are rooms on the next floor. These people would be drowning.
Lifeboats over there.
If there were
Well, you probably
rooms,
always have shade. You have the lights on.
if there were rooms under this, it'd probably be like halfway up.
It is room, but that's the inside. That's the outside with the we had last time. With the
It'd
outside.
be
camp.
halfway in the water.
Actually, you probably always have shade because you have the light on over top. Oh, okay.
You said I can eat this, right?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, you can get one without the light but above you. They're hard to, like, sometimes if they're available. Because a lot of them have light push.
I like the blue.
That's ought to be.
Yeah, I like
There weren't a lot. That's okay.
colors.
That's fine.